Today I'm going to show you guys a recent makeup tutorial inspired by White Walkers from HBO's Game of Thrones. This makeup consisted of 3 silicone face pieces and a basic costume crafted out of a shirt material and painted EVA foam. For a list of products used in this tutorial, check out the video description below. It is Friday, bros and ghouls. Willusionist here with another tutorial. For real. Start by prepping your skin with witch hazel to remove any excess oil or debris. Next, place your prosthetic on the face to get a sense of where to apply adhesive. Powdering around the prosthetic will provide an accurate border. Using a cotton swab, apply Prozaid to the face, working from the center out to the edge. When the Prozaid appears transparent, apply the piece by pressing firmly in the center and pulling the edges taut. Press firmly out to the edges, holding the appliance in place. Next, use a cotton swab and 99% alcohol to begin dissolving the edges of the appliance. Your pieces should provide feather-thin edges for a seamless transition. Believe it or not, all these appliances were created from flat molds, which is not ideal and made for some interesting difficulties. Reapply any additional Prozaid within the eye sockets, allowing it to set with time. Press the socket borders into place, blending additional material around the edges. Continue blending out the appliance edge using 99% alcohol. I created one appliance for each lip, but they ended up conflicting with some of the model's facial hair. The hair needed to be shaved additionally to create a seamless edge. Because some of my edges were compromised, I ended up applying a few layers of Prozaid over any high spots. Again, not ideal. Start painting your appliance with light washes of alcohol-activated makeup. I'm using the Skin Illustrator Flesh Tone palette. You can use grease makeup or thin cream makeups with alcohol if you are really in a pinch. I mixed tones of rice paper and white as a base for the White Walker. Then I added hues of red and blue to create more of a flesh appearance. In the end, we changed the whole paint scheme just to black and white. The paint job on this makeup really suffered, but one of my goals is to upgrade to an airbrush for future looks. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more looks like this.
Too bad large portion of the media refuses to report the lies and corruption having to do with the rigged witch hunt. But that is why we call them fake news.